So, to poach eggs correctly, first off, let's get a hard boil. I mean, really hard boiling. And when it's hard boiling, you just lower the temperature until it's softly boiling. Then now I will add the egg. But before that, I will ask my dear wife to set up the military unto 3 minutes. It's hard boiling. I turn the water, just the heat, just, yeah, just like that. So it's all about
Le water du doing. Peut-être du tout le timing.
I think it's good.
C'est nul.
What do we have? We have some leeks. I mean leeks or leeks. And we have that poached egg. Just put it in that nest. Then a bit of shallots. Excellent. Then you want to add some bacon. It's always good with bacon. Maybe it's a bit too much, but I like bacon, all right. Then chives. Chives. For the taste and the color. And then you absolutely need my dear wife vinaigrette. Here it is. You know, it just reacts more like a mayonnaise. It's really then a bit overcooked, but enjoy it. Thanks for watching.